Hey everyone, Albert Ree here, Director of Product Marketing at SalesLoft. Now, as 2023 unfolds, we continue to face the effects of an unpredictable economy. And at SalesLoft, we believe that even in an uncertain economy, it doesn't have to mean uncertainty for your pipeline. Which is why I'm excited to share 5 new releases coming to your SalesLoft platform this month that let you regain control of your pipeline. All right, number 1, let me set the scene. You sit down at your laptop, super eager to write a compelling, irresistible email that's gonna hit home with your prospects, only to find yourself with the world's worst writer's block. Pretty frustrating, right? Well, let's put an end to that. You guys have all heard of ChatGPT, right? Well, we're excited to announce that we're introducing generative AI into our email steps. So now you'll create more effective email content faster, making it easier than ever to go from a blank page to an email that grabs your buyer's attention and earns you that meeting. Also, pro tip, don't forget to personalize your emails before sending to really boost those reply rates. All right, number 2. For our people leaders out there, you don't need us to tell you that coaching is hard. And it's nearly impossible to coach reps to both fill pipeline and close deals if you can't accurately see the activities they're doing and the results they're achieving. That's why our new outcomes dashboard tracks team and individual performance to your key outcomes. Things like close won revenue, new opportunities created for your pipeline, and meetings booked. And you want to dig into the details, you can see who's really performing, who needs help, and just as importantly, why.